Bore da, I've come to Amroth in Pembrokeshire today to show you around this 2-bedroom barn conversion that sleeps 4.
Never did I give in, just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel
Upside down living in this one, so those 2 bedrooms are on the ground floor. Those can be made up as doubles or twins, so just let us know your preference in the notes when you make your booking. Open plan living area then on the first floor with a nice stone staircase leading you down to this private garden to the rear of the barn. Amroth is a lovely holiday spot with 2 nice pubs down by the beach a couple of miles away from the barn. And then if you jump in the car, Saundersfoot is another popular beach about 15 minutes away. There's a lovely harbour there and a great fish and chip shop as well. And then you've got the really picturesque village of Tenby a couple of miles further on again down the coast. Let me go show you around inside first. Bye.